vibes. Racks on me. She said, boy, your eyes look chinky, I speak Guapanese.
What is good, y'all? We hopping back in another video. My girlfriend's about to leave, she's going to work. But your boy got other things planned. Today is maintenance day. So, if you know what this is, then you know. About to hit up the gym today with Jared and Ennis. About to show y'all my ball skills, y'all. I'm gonna go crazy for the camera. Y'all, we made it to the shop. Romanos. We can't get it on the lift though. It's all good though. These boys know what they're doing. They know what they're doing. Alright, y'all. So, we just got done that oil change, baby. We just got done that oil change, so we about to head out to Abington. About to meet up my boy Jared. I don't know if Ennis coming now, because he not answering nobody calls. He drawing. See that 5 o'clock shadow though? I need my beard back. Yo, I nerfed myself. I'm drawing. I am drawing. I dunk on Jared today. Mind you, Jared is 6 foot and I'm 5'10". So take that with a grain of salt. But do it again, bro. Yeah, just waiting for Jared. You know, I don't know when he's gonna pull up. I don't know when he's gonna pull up and all that, man. What?
Hey!
Hey, what's going on, man?
Nothing much. Couldn't bring out the fun car, so you gotta excuse me for that. But blown motor problems.
Hopefully you catch some good shit. I'm there, bro. Come on. I'm off. Psych. Damn. Hey, get him out of here, coach. Come on. Are you good, bro? Oh, shit. Nah, you ain't doing that shit. Check it out. Yo, World, go ahead. Hey! Good shit. Good D.
I need highlight reels.
Fuck, man. I hate him, yo. Shot. Troy way, Troy way. Get in there. Oh my God. Oh shit. Fuck. You got. Do you like the way I do it? I'm gonna be about. Good shot. Oh yeah, the matchup we wait for. Oh. Yeah. Shot. Shoot. Nah, it ain't. Damn, that's a nice step back. Oh my God, bro. I was trying to make you laugh midway through to fuck up the shot. Freeze. Come on. Thank you. Fuck. Go for the ooh. You was? Huh? You was gonna go for the ooh? Yeah. God damn.
I can do a lot, just don't do it.
Chill, bro. Don't do it to me, bro. Please.
Yeah, we just dipped out. Jared's still running though. I ain't gonna lie. He was going crazy though. He did a putback dunk, and I was like, all right, well, I'm way out of my element here. Putback dunk in a pickup game? Yeah. Toy hunting for Aubrey. Yeah, I don't know Aubrey, but she's had this like weird fixation of Descendants now. She loves it, so that's what we found. Main character status. Alright, y'all. Me, babe, can we go home? I ain't gonna lie, Travis' new album, crazy. Just secured the bag, you feel me? We gonna get Aubrey's reaction, see how she likes it, but boom, Descendants toy. She's been loving Descendants. So Descendants toy and I guess a push pop, same color. I don't know. Yo. Yeah, I don't know. But yeah, a little push pop. Just kind of get the excitement going, you know? And your boy needed a little refresher. So core power, you feel me? Crack it open, baby. God knows, I am not an active person at all. It's laughing, y'all. It's laughing. What's up, y'all? Wanna say hi? Say hi. Say hi. It's Kobe, y'all. I'm about to get Aubrey's reaction. Let's do it. Aubrey! Come here! Want this? That's a push pop.
It's a push pop?
Yeah. You want it? Yeah. Alright. Bought you that. Here, try it. See if you like it. I got one more surprise for you though, okay? You want to know what's the surprise? Close your eyes. Come here. You gotta come closer. Come here. Open your eyes. Open. Come here. Close your eyes. I got one more surprise for you. Okay? Don't open your eyes, okay? Don't open it. Okay, wait. Keep your eyes closed. Keep your eyes closed. Let me grab this real quick. Keep your eyes closed, okay? Yeah.
All right, Albie.
Did you say thank you, Dad?
Thank you.
Nah, you don't got to say thank you. Come here, give me a hug. Give me a hug. Come on, boom. That's for going for potty, okay? Hey, you want me to open it? Alright, y'all. If y'all like that video, please like, comment, subscribe. Stay tuned for the next one. It's going to be insane. You know, like I said, we're getting close to 100 subscribers now too, so that's another thing that is super like amazing to me. Like, comment, subscribe, do all that. I'll catch you on the next one, y'all. Peace.
And they begging me to stay out the street. Now I ain't never been to church, got them demons all with me. If they talking about guns that we carry all these semis. And my loyalty 100 like 2 times 50.